Hi there, Nicole here. I thought I'd just share a quick, great on-the-go smoothie recipe for those of you who have to be in the office early in the morning and you have zero time for lunch and barely any time for coffee. This is really cost saving as well, since you don't have to stop at any coffee places. It's a great way to just put it all into one mix. You've got your nutrients, you've got your good healthy fats, and you've got your energy to get you through those tough meetings early in the morning all the way through till lunchtime, right? So all I do is I just take my gadget that goes to my Vitamix. This is one of those pieces that you can just put all your ingredients in, zip it up, and take it with you to go. It comes with a lid and everything. If you have a NutriBullet, it's equivalent. Beautiful. Again, if you want to just use your regular blender, you can go ahead and use your blender and throw it in a good to-go mug on your way out the door. But let's go ahead and proceed. I like to put a couple scoops of my favorite protein powder in there. I prefer chocolate, and this is a chocolate mocha cafe. I also like to make it a little extra rich, so I put some unsugar or sugarless cocoa powder with a little extra fiber, and then I like to sweeten it with some stevia or monk fruit or a mix-up thereof, and I just throw that in. Now my protein powder is plant-based. It doesn't have any sugar in it, but it has all the high content nutrient ingredients that I like. So a healthy fat to add to this is some almond butter. Again, you can add whatever butter that you prefer. I like this almond butter. This is awesome. So I just throw that in. A little goopity goopity, a little sticky, but it is great to get that extra fat that you need for that energy as you go into those meetings, you know, because we need that fat for our brain so we can function as well as with the protein in the almonds as well as in the almond milk. Now you can use almond milk or you can use coconut milk, and if you're not lactose intolerant and you know you can have dairy, well, what the heck. Throw your dairy in there too. It's really up to the individual and your health, right? So here we go. I'm going to throw in those wet ingredients like I mentioned earlier. I like my almond milk, zero sugar in that. And then I also put in some nice cold brew. I like that zippity caffeine still. I'm still into my caffeine, all right? So that's about 4 ounces of the almond milk, 6 ounces of that cold brew. You can throw some ice cubes in there, make it a little thick and rich. That's up to you. Just go ahead and add your attachment, blend it up. All right, that's it. Shake it up a little bit more. Make sure you get all of those ingredients in there. Take off your blender attachment, put on your lid. You are good to go. For recipes like this, you can click on the link below, or you can go ahead and click on the link to our Simply Real Foods Market, where you can buy all the ingredients to your extra rich cocoa smoothie on the go every morning.